Curious about the vibrant world of Indonesian cuisine? Today we are taking you on a culinary adventure at one of Bali's best Indonesian restaurants. Prepare your taste buds for a journey through the rich and diverse flavors that define Indonesian culinary excellence. Embark on a journey through the opulent side of Bali with our series of videos showcasing the best hotels, luxury cars, yachts, gourmet cuisine, and totally personalized service. Prepare to be amazed. I promise, your perception of this tropical paradise will never be the same. Welcome to our channel, where luxury knows no limits. Now for the dinner, we decided to come and try a local restaurant called Bejana, which is serving local Indonesian delights. Everything here, starting from the lights or some statues, look very authentically Indonesian. Let's check now the food. How good is it?
My name is Kardana. I'm a chef in charge here. This is with the Bejana restaurant. This is here our concept with the Indonesian food.
It is an appetizer of the ristapa. So we have the pensir tuna, so with the sambal and the almond flake. Also we have the jukut canto. It is a steamed vegetable, come with the peanut sauce and also boiled egg and boiled potato. So this deep fried pumpkin come with the peanut sauce also.
Like in all my years spent in Asia, I never tried or see anything like this. So I'm really curious, how does it taste? The food taste is quite unusual, and it's very hard to express the feelings and of my taste buds, but it's very nice. It's not very spicy, it's a bit of sour, it's quite fresh, and actually I like it.
This is the lodeh jantung pisang. This is a coconut soup with a banana leaf. There is inside there will be a hard, soft of the coconut shell.
Let me try it.
Nice.
Very nice taste. It's like a coconut milk, if you ever tried it. It's very actually popular in Thai cuisine. It's a bit spicy, but a little bit. I don't know if you see, this all banana leaves inside.
Salty vegetable. This is the beef rendang, and this is a salty clam. This is the rice.
So now we have Indonesian set menu. What means set menu? Normally when you come for a restaurant, for a very good and expensive restaurant, we all have so-called prepared set menus. What does it mean? Basically, the chef cook of this restaurant has prepared already for you the special menu according to your liking. So just now we came to the main course. What do we have here? Rice as the main course, as the main side dish for all Indonesian cuisine, and it's very popular not only in Indonesia, but also for Thailand, for Malaysia, for Asian countries in general. What else do we have here? We have salted clam, we have rendang, which is basically beef in Indonesian, we have here fish, we have here chicken, and we have vegetables. So you see, it's a very balanced food. We have rice as a side dish, we have seafood, we have beef, we have chicken, we have fish, and we have vegetables. So you have everything very balanced, and you can mix it as you like it. Now we are in the main dining area of Bejana restaurant. Take a look on our table. It's just a masterpiece. It's a whole long piece of wood, one solid piece of wood, and it's beautifully decorated. The whole base of this table is done by the solid glass. Take a look. It's a purely masterpiece, and you can find these kind of things only in Indonesia. We have a knife. just because we have a lot of Western tourists in this restaurant. But normally when you come to some Asian restaurant, maybe Indonesian, Thai, Vietnamese, Chinese, etc., normally we only serve you with spoon and with fork. Why? Because in Asia in general, we are not very common in using knives.
Yeah, so this is the name is klepon. It's our Balinese dessert. It's a glutinous rice bowl with the palm sugar inside and grated coconut around. Yeah, actually the unique one, you must close the mouth when eat because that's the palm sugar will be spread out. It's the unique.
So I need to put in the mouth.
The mouth is a whole. Not like a half, not a bite. Yeah.
Not don't bite.
Yeah, because sometimes the palm sugar will be spread out, so be careful with the clothes like that.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you just put in the mouth and close it, yeah?
Yes.